I know the trap that you're caught in right now. You're constantly wondering, if I stand up for myself, will she get upset? If I say what I really feel, will I push her away? If I stay quiet, maybe she'll come back around. So you toggle between silent and frustrated, between being a nice guy and finally snapping, because you've been told this lie. You can either be a jerk or a pushover, but neither one feel right. So what do? You soften your voice, you give in, you avoid conflict, you let things slide, and every time you do, you betray yourself. You wake up feeling anxious and resentful and ashamed. You're not leading, you're disappointing. And the truth, she doesn't trust a man who can't stand up for himself. She can't relax into love if you're not solid in your boundaries, because no woman can feel safe with a man who's afraid of upsetting her. Here's the truth that I've lived with and that the men that I've helped have lived with. Boundaries aren't about controlling, they're about honoring you. You don't need to yell or issue ultimatums. You don't need to be an asshole. You just need to stop abandoning your truth. What will you no longer tolerate? What do you need to feel respected, safe, and strong? That's the question. And if you don't know how to answer that, that's okay. Men weren't really taught this, but now it's time to learn. So, what's the path forward? Well, you don't have to choose between being a jerk or a pushover, but you do have to book a call so that you and I can talk about being something better. A man with clarity, with calm, with boundaries that protect your peace. Let's build what was never taught and start living from the inside out. Hi, I'm Charlie McKeever, your Happy Man coach, and I want you to book a private coaching call with me. Let's cut to the heart of what's really going on with your wife and get clear about what you really want for yourself and your marriage. Not having boundaries is killing your sense of self and your intimacy and connection in your marriage. But you don't have to live this way. In addition to our phone call, I'll also introduce you to a community of men who are confidently holding boundaries and respecting themselves more in the process. Because remember, you're not alone. I'll also tell you how you can join our weekly group calls. So if you're tired of feeling flooded and run over and pushed around, and if you're ready to stop being afraid of upsetting your wife, and if you're ready to be happy again, then do this. Visit happymancoaching.com and book a free Happy Man coaching call. I guarantee after our call, you'll have more confidence in yourself and your ability to be honest about meeting your needs in your marriage. You are stronger than you think, and you were built to handle this part of your life. You can do this. So visit happymancoaching.com, book that call, and I'll talk to you soon.